We'll guide you through how to install Python libraries. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, go to your browser and search Python download. Go to the first link. Here, scroll down. Here you can choose the version you want. I am downloading the latest 3.14 version. Click on it. Now here, scroll down again. Here, choose the installer for your system. For me, it is the 64-bit installer. Click on it. Now, after the installer is downloaded, then click on the downloaded file. Here, click on add python.exe to path. Then click on customize installation. Here, click on for all users, then click on next. Now click on install Python 3.14 for all users, then click on install. Now click yes on the pop-up. Now wait for a few minutes while the installation completes. After the installation is complete, click on close. Now search and open command prompt. Here type the following: python space dash dash version. Click enter. Here you can see Python 3.14 is successfully installed. Now type pip space dash dash version, then click on enter. Here you can see the pip version that is installed along with Python. Now to download the Python libraries, you need to type the following commands: py space dash m space pip space install space numpy. Enter. Now numpy is installing. Similarly, to install pandas as well as matplot, in the same command replace numpy with matplot or pandas and execute the command. In this way you can download all the required libraries. These are the three mostly used libraries in Python. If you want to download other libraries, you can do it similarly using the appropriate commands. Now you can see other libraries are also installing. All the libraries has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching.